Alright guys, back at it. Unfortunately, I ran over a screw when I was on my drive, I guess on the way back from Cincinnati or whenever I was there. So this tire is extremely low, pretty much like no pressure. So we're gonna take it off. I did see a screw in the tire, hopefully I can fill it. I have just a generic set of plugs, and this is rubber cement as well as the little rubber plugs as well. I've actually done a few videos on this, and one of them I think was one of the front tires. Still no issues with that. I never had an issue with any other car I've done this for, assuming the screw's kind of in the middle of the tire more or less. But some shops won't do it anymore nowadays, probably because of liability, but I'm doing it at home. I'm comfortable with it, so whatever. If you don't want to do it or it seems sketchy to you, then that's fine. But I'm gonna do it. And unless the hole is just way too big to patch or to really to fill here and plug, I'll have to take it to a shop and I'd probably get a new tire, I guess. I figure I might as well do a video because my channel, the point of my channel is to show you kind of what I'm doing in the garage or whatever I happen to be doing, whether it's a vlog or changing a tire or putting a badge on my friend's car. I mean, I'm just doing a bunch of different stuff, so it kind of gives you guys different content. And if you missed the other video, and my channel is bigger now, hopefully you'll see this one. So what I always do, which is kind of backwards, is just get the jack positioned exactly where you want it. I lined it with the jack pad, the jacking point of the car, and just get the breaker bar here. We're gonna go to town. Make sure, actually I forgot to tell you, make sure you have the e-brake on, and if it's a manual, it's in gear as well. So I have both of those things on. I have a 6-speed, so I always have the e-brake on when I park, but I don't always put it in gear, especially like it's very flat in here, so I'm not too worried. You can also put a wheel chock as well, but I think we'll be fine. I need the 17. I had the wrong socket. Like, what the hell? Rare occasion I do put the gloves on, but wheel is really dirty. There she is. Hopefully you guys can see it. Taking the screw out of my tire. I know. It's really, these are the fun mods I love doing.
Want me to hold the tire for you?
We haven't dirty. Ooh. I'm gonna plug it.
Plug it? Yeah. With a rubber or something?
Yeah. So that's the little screw. That's all it is, a stupid sheet metal screw. So that's ready. Take this little drill tool here. Drill it all the way through. So the screw actually, not sure it was all the way through the tire. All right. Next step, I'm gonna just put some rubber cement in here. Hopefully. And also, I'm gonna apply rubber cement to the fill piece plug. Honestly, all you do is shove it in. Like, let's stick out an inch and then pull it out. And then you hold this piece down, and that's it. Get a razor blade. Give you guys a quick little close up here. Oh. Alright, so that's how you do it, guys. I know it looks really ugly and it looks like there's a slit on the outside, but that's part of the tire tread. There's like kind of a little slit in it for grip, obviously. So yeah, so that's how you do it. That's how I do it. I've never had an issue doing this. I've never had a plug come out. I've never had any leaks. So hopefully this one is the same case. It was just a little, looked like a sheet metal screw, so it wasn't too deep, and got the plug in there. So hopefully we should be good to go. Leave a comment below. I think it's pretty straightforward, but let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Don't subscribe.
Unsubscribe?
Unsubscribe.
Okay.
You'll never see it. Let's just drop this start. Fuck it. Are you a
Oh, you want my wheels?
$2,000.
Okay. Oh, fire right now.
Oh, these
Maybe
guys
it's
have,
clean.
these guys have everything.
What are you talking about?
Dude,
I got everything. I got everything. Did you patch it up yourself?
Yeah, done.
Nice.
What did you do? Gum?
No, this is,
Chewing gum? What is that?
it's like a rubber patch.
Put it in.
Just a rubber patch, rubber cement, and use this thing. I've done it before. Like, this is the third tire I've done. I haven't had an issue.
Nice.
Damn.
As long as the screw is like small.
Yeah. I paid
See?
25 bucks.
I paid 15 for the kit, and I've done like 4 tires.
You're an idiot. That just says you're an idiot because you drive where there's nails.
Yeah, I'm pretty stupid.
I've had
If I
one
would just-
single tire. I have a nail. Well, knock on wood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Once. Is
Well.
it 20?
19.
So now you're ready to cruise with us, with the boys? All
Where are we
M's?
going?
M's only? X only?
X5? X's only? Should I edit this part out or leave it in? I thought you'd notice. You're fucking oblivious.
Well, I got more parts from previous night if you don't remember. So I'll trade you for it.